Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Well, we're winning a drag race between the new Porsche 911 Turbo S Hybrid and a Ferrari 296. Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching carwow. What we have here is a 3.6 litre twin turbo hybrid with 711 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. That Ferrari is a 3 litre V6 hybrid with 830 horsepower and 740 newton meters. Right, let's start off with a drag race.
3, 2, 1.
Oof, so quick off the line. Oh, it's fast. Can he catch me up? Oh, oh, here he comes now. Oh, oh. He's gaining. If he gets a better launch, he might be in with a chance. Oh, mate, that thing was flying at the end of that.
Wow, I didn't think this was going to stand a chance. I can't believe how this was reeling you in.
If I'm napping on the launch, this might not win. Anyway, it's not a foregone conclusion, this. What we're going to do is some other challenges. Let you warm up your tyres, I'll warm up mine, and then we'll come back to the drag racing because it's best 3 out of 5. What we're going to do is make sure our tyres are fully warm. We are going to do a rolling race. We're going to be in our sportiest setting, but automatic mode for the gearbox. We're going to race over the half mile from 50 miles an hour. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'll see you later, buddy.
Okay, oh dear. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I think he was right. Look at that takeoff. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Look at him. That is a rocket ship. Oh mate, your car just absolutely shot off. Mine was just changing gear as I called it, and so it changed up and then had to change down again, which didn't help it out much. Your car was gone.
That was destroying you.
It was humbling, that experience, very humbling, and it makes me worried about the drag races in a bit. Let's take the changing of the gearbox out of it and just go in manual mode, see if there's a difference there. Third gear roll on.
Absolutely.
Always loving it, isn't he? Varmint. Third gear, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. God, he is just dropping me. That is madness. This is so fast, but... And I'm carrying no weight because I'm running out of fuel. Sam.
You're enjoying yourself now, are you?
If that's a supercar and a Jesko is a hypercar, what's this?
I wanted to come up with something funny there. Maybe we can use AI to make me say something funny. It is a red car. Do you know what? I've got a way where I think this car might beat you because it's really, really fast in this very specific area. Meet you back on the start line.
No, we're done, aren't we?
Right, Sam, what we're going to do now is a roll in, first gear from 10 miles an hour. The starter will start us. Race over the half mile.
3, 2, 1.
See, dropped him. Wow. It's crazy. Now, where is he? Can I get to the half mile before he comes? He's coming now! Oh, damn it! This takes off though, doesn't it? This is mad in first gear.
Tell you what, that is some party trick. I genuinely thought I was going to walk past you and laugh. It took me ages to come past you.
Right, we're going to get into the drag races because it's best 3 out of 5 and I've won 1 so far, but it was very, very close. Before we do that though, brake test.
Uh-oh, I don't want to go up against the Porsche.
It's all right, it's me driving. Now, if you're thinking about changing your car, you can do it all through carwow. You can sell your current car through carwow and then buy your next car used, new, or leased through carwow. We've got all the latest offers and deals, so you can browse to make sure you're paying a fair price. Click on the pop-up banner, scan the QR code, I'll find the link in the description to go to carwow. Right, what's going to happen now? Here comes the line. Oh, you bugger! Damn! That is so close, but no win for me. Well, it looks like your car seems to be winning the rolling races and the brake test. I've won one drag race. Can I win more? Let's do it, Sam. This is it.
Just remember how close it was. Don't panic. Don't fluff it now, okay?
3, 2, 1.
It's better. Come on!
That wasn't the best launch from this. It's coming back now. I did exactly what you said. I didn't fluff it. I nailed it. So thanks for your words of encouragement.
Formal protest. Can we do a half-mile drag race, please?
No, thank you. Right, come on. One last go. You've got to win this one to stay in it.
Oh, it's a better launch from the Porsche. Oh.
He was coming back. Whoa, get out of the way, little birdie.
I tell you what's worrying, I had a better launch that time.
Well, there we go, Sam. Clean sweep in the drag races. I mean, this just launches so well because it's four-wheel drive, but actually when you think that that is just two-wheel drive, it's insane, isn't it? And it was coming back. It always is just coming back, just hasn't got enough room over the quarter mile.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. How this rear-wheel drive puts that power down, I don't understand. I think this needs 2 more meters on the quarter mile and that's it, game over for you.
But there's not 2 more meters, is there? That's why this wins. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Porsche won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10 seconds dead. The Ferrari took 10.2 seconds. My question is though, is this new Porsche 911 Turbo S actually that much faster than the previous generation car? Well, to find out, click on the video window and you'll see me drag race it against that car and all of its predecessors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.